Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us discuss about question number 17, NEET Physics paper 2016. Students, let us discuss about number 17. Match the corresponding entries of column 1, this is column 1, with column 2, where M is magnification produced by the mirror. M is standing for the magnification produced by the mirror. Here we have got magnifications given A, B, C, D, -2, -half, +2, +half. Here we have a convex mirror, concave mirror, real image and virtual image. So when you talk about real image and virtual image, we must, before going to solve this, we must know what it means. In case of a mirror, we have either a concave mirror or we have a convex mirror. There are two types of mirror. This is concave and this is convex. Here, if I place an object, the ray, if this is the focus, then the parallel rays will pass to the focus. And suppose that rays through the center of curvature will go undeviated. I can have a ray like that only. Here this is one ray, because in case of a mirror we know that this is the focal length and radius of curvature. This distance is the center of curvature, this is the focus, this distance is the focal length, and this distance is the radius of curvature. This radius of curvature is always equal to twice the focal length. So if I consider this as focus, so I consider anywhere not up to the mark but somewhere here. The ray which is coming parallel to this axis must always pass through the focus, and the ray coming from, because this is the normal will be like that, so a ray passing through focus becomes parallel. So if I allow one ray to pass here, then it becomes parallel, and like this image, this ray and this ray will meet here, and what we are getting is inverted image. So in case of a concave mirror, we are getting inverted image. Inverted image, that means the magnification is negative, because this side is up, this is the object, and the image is somewhat like inverted image we are getting. So because of this image size by object size, so object size is positive but image size will be negative because it is downward. So continuation of question number 17. So therefore, in case of a concave mirror, it will be negative. So before solving this, let me just write the conclusion for concave mirror and convex mirror. I know that if M is positive, if m is positive, that means magnification is positive, then that implies virtual image. Which image? Virtual image. If magnification is negative, this implies the real image. If the magnitude of this magnification is greater than 1, it's greater than 1. We're talking about the magnitude, we are not talking about the sign. If that value is a number only, is greater than 1, this implies magnified image. This implies magnified image. If the magnitude is less than 1, that implies diminished image. Obviously, in the real image is formed in a concave mirror. So when you get m is negative, we'll think of concave mirror. And similarly, so let us first, and what about the magnification? Positive, less than 1, greater than 1. Suppose I have an object which is of 1 centimeter. This is the object. If image is found 1 centimeter, this is the image which is 1 centimeter, then I will say there is no magnification, because this is 1 only. So the size is same obtained here, so there is no magnification, or magnification is 1 times the object size, that means it is the same. But if I get image like this, which is suppose that 0.4 centimeter, then I say that this is smaller and this is larger. So this image is smaller, diminished. So obviously the ratio, magnification, the image size upon object size, this size upon this size, for example 0.4 divided by 1, is obviously less than 1. So if I'm not getting an output which is larger than this, then obviously that is diminished. So that is diminished image. Suppose that I'm getting image like 4 centimeter, then I'll say that this is 4 times this. So here the image size upon object size is 4, obviously, which is greater than 1. So this is how we think of this. Now we'll move to, keeping in mind this, we have to go for the options. So first I will start with option number 1 and move on to the option number 4. When you get the answer, then you don't proceed further. So option number 1 says, what is that? A, C and D. A, C, D. B is BD. B is BD. C is BC. C is BC. And D is AD. And D is AD. Okay. So it is, and we must remember the column 1 and 2. This is A means -2. That also you must remember. A, B, C, D, the value to write. A is -2, M value is -2, M is -2 here. B is M is -half here. Here M is +2 and here M is +half. Okay. So column 2, this is column 1, and in column 2 we have First is A is a convex mirror. B, we have a concave mirror. C, we have a real image. D, we have virtual image. Now, first one, we must know that A must be equal to, because this is a negative given, this is negative, A is negative, so we know that for negative it should be concave mirror, because the magnification will be negative, is obtained in concave mirror. So A should be B first. Okay, should be, and real image is found, that is okay, BC. So A should be BC, but here A is CD. So this is not right. So we'll not check the other options. Okay, we'll not check the other options. So we'll go to, so this option is wrong. We'll go to the second option. The second one is A is BC. So A is BC, I'm getting there. The second option, what is given? A is BC, just that right. And B is BC, C is BD, and D is AD. D is AD. Let us take this one. A is BC. A I got as B and C. A I got B and C. A, which is this value is only M is -2. M equals to -2 stands for B and C. That is the concave mirror and real image. So this part is correct. This part is correct. I'm getting here. If M is -12, then what you get? If M is -12, then I have, firstly, negative is a concave mirror and real image. That is true. So these two vectors are still there. So that is correct. So for the second option, this is also correct. This is also correct. When C is, so this is true for M equals to -12. Whether the C factor, that when M is +2, when M equals to +2, whether this is correct or not, when M is +2, plus is positive. We know that when this is positive, we have a virtual image. When positive, we have a virtual image. And virtual image, that is D. M positive virtual image D is correct. And we have also the concave mirror, because the value is greater than 1. Magnified image we are getting there. So this part is also okay. The last one, D is half. D is half is positive. So that is virtual image. This D is correct. And this is a convex mirror. That is also correct. In a convex mirror, we get a diminished image. So this part is also okay. So that means the option number 2 is correct, where A, option A, when M is negative, this is true, that this is B and C, that is concave mirror and real image. M minus half, again it is same thing, concave mirror, real image, positive virtual image, that means C and D must be D here, and this is 2 magnified, so it is concave mirror, and diminished is convex mirror. So this is therefore the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.